because of this issue, I think I'm also going to, I've started engaging the security personnel so that we see how we address these issues. And there are other issues that we are also going to put in place as local leaders, because the issue of security is an issue of concern for everybody. And if we don't have security here, we cannot even invest. So people cannot even have their businesses going on. So, but unfortunately, this incident happened near a police station. Though we must appreciate the government because there was some reshuffles for those police officers. Though this is not enough. We don't need that people die, then we reshuffle the police personnel. What we need to do is that we need to strengthen the Nyumba Kumi, we strengthen community policing, and also we have good officers here.